A sensation gripped the Murabari area near the Bishalgarh SDM office today after a jumbo team, likely a joint task force of various departments, raided the house of an individual known as Rashtrabadi Mon in connection with illegal activities. The operation by the jumbo team led to immediate action in the same locality where they successfully seized an illegal sawmill, several logs of wood and a vehicle. This latest recovery confirms the persistence of illegal wood-related trade in the area. Authorities noted that this very location had been raided by the police and the forest department just days prior, resulting in the seizure of a sawmill. However, the operators allegedly re-established the illegal setup, leveraging their influence to defy the law. The main target, identified as Rashtrabadi Mon, managed to evade arrest by fleeing the scene when the police team raided his residence. However, the Bishalgarh police station achieved a breakthrough by apprehending his associate and co-accused in the same case, Joel Ahmed, late on Thursday night. Joel Ahmed was subsequently produced before the Bishalgarh Sub-Divisional Court this Friday afternoon. The police have registered a case and an investigation is underway to track down the absconding Rashtrabadi Mon and dismantle the network behind the illegal sawmill operations. Reporter Bijiban from Bishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.